Creating a custom email signature is a great way to make your emails stand out and leave a lasting impression. Today, I'll show you how to create one, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com, log into your Canva account, or create a new one if you don't have one. Click on the Create a Design button. Select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 512 by 512 pixels. Click Create New Design. Navigate to the Upload tab. Click Upload Files. Select your image and click Open. Wait for the image to upload. Go to the Elements tab. Search for Frame in the search bar. Select Circle Frame. Resize and move the frame as needed to fit your design. Now drag and drop your image inside the circle. Double-click on your image and drag the image up or down to position it correctly within the circle. Click Done. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Click on the Download button. Check the transparent background option. Click Download to save your image. Select a location and rename your image. Click Save. Go to Google and search for gim.io. Click on the first result. Click on New Signature. Scroll down and choose a template and click on it. Wait for the template to load. Click Apply. Click on Name. Type your name. Click Done. Click on Position. Type your title. Click Done. Click on Mobile Phone. Enter your number. Click Done. Click on Email. Enter your email address. Click Done. Click on Website. Enter your website URL. Click Done. Click on Icon 1. Enter your Facebook handle. Click Done. Click on Icon 2. Select Icon Generator. Select the Upload Social icon. Click Choose an image. Click Choose a local file. Select your icon and click Open. Click Done. Select and drag it to the left side to downscale the image. Set it to 4.69%. Enter your Instagram username. Click Done. Click on Icon 3. Enter your LinkedIn profile link. Click Done. Click on Profile Pic. Then click Remove. Click Choose an image. Click Choose a local file. Select the image you downloaded from Canva and click Open. Click Done. Scroll down. Select and drag it to the left side to downscale the image. Set it to 15.17%. Click Done. Click on Installation. Click on Click here to copy your signature. Open your Gmail. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Signature section. Click on the Create New button. Enter a name for your signature and click Create. In the Signature box, press Ctrl+V to paste, or right-click your mouse and select Paste. Select Kind Regards and press backspace to delete it. Select Get Your Own Signature and press backspace to delete it. Scroll down and select your created signature as the signature default. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Click Compose. As you can see, your created signature appears correctly. And this is how it looks in Outlook. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.